Honorable Information, Technology and industries, so many other this thing, sorry, I have only know few, so many other minister, our beloved Sri Sridhar Babu Garu, because he is from our near to our place. I welcome him, sir. We are very happy that you have come. Dr. Michael Howell, Chief Clinical Officer, Google, and Mr. Chandu Tota, Vice President, Google World, Sri Ranga Chandrasekhar Garu, Drug Controller of India, and all many other leaders, eminent leaders from eminent institutions like IIIT, ISB, RICH, etc., etc. And I also welcome our beloved Dr. Chinnababu Shunkavalli, Chief Surgical Oncologist, Yashoda Hospitals. All our distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, innovators, colleagues, and friends. It is a proud privilege to welcome you all to this international conference of Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare. This is not just any conference, it is a pivotal moment where global insights coverage to redefine the very essence of healing. Our theme, revolutionizing the care and enhancing lives, is not merely aspirational, it is our guidance principle. AI is not just supporting healthcare, it is a fundamentally reshaping it, with its most visible impact in critical fields like oncology, robotic surgery, diagnostics, with truly personalized medicine. At Yashoda Group, our 3-decade journey has been driven by singular belief: healthcare must advance faster than the disease. Today, Yashoda stands on a beacon of world-class rare recognized by international bodies like JCI. We have India's first MR LINAC providing precision oncology care. We are proud to lead by example, consistently investing in the most advanced robotic surgical platforms. We are performing thousands of complex robotic cancer surgeries with precision and compassion, because for us, technology purpose is to elevate human care, not to diminish it. మనం చికిత్స చేసేది కేవలం రోగాన్ని కాదండి, మనం చికిత్స చేసేది ఒక మనిషికి, వారి కుటుంబానికి, వారి ఆశలకి. We do not merely treat disease, we treat human beings, their family and their hopes. This patient-centric philosophy is paramount. We embrace AI with humility, ensuring it amplifies human touch, making care more intuitive, accessible, and deeply personal. It is about empowering our clinicians and enhancing every patient journey, from accurate diagnostics to tailored treatment and proactive wellness. To further accelerate this vision, I am thrilled to announce Yashoda Hospital is establishing an AI Sandbox initiative. Mr. Dheeraj will elaborate on this subject. This conference is a call to action. It invites clinicians, researchers, tech leaders, and policymakers to actively create intelligence, ethical, and inclusive solutions. We must ensure AI's power reaches every patient, from city hospital to most remote rural clinics. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Chinnababu Shunkavalli for his dynamic leadership in organizing this landmark event. Thanks to our esteemed international and national faculty for their invaluable participation. Thanks to every delegate here today. The future of healthcare demands our collective brilliance. Let us lead this charge together with vision and with courage to dream big for every life we touch. Welcome to Yashoda, welcome to our future healing. Thank you.